Hello, this is video number 1 on the mBrace Agile Performance Test Tool version 1, in which we show you how to do a performance test on the software you develop. mBrace is a Dutch company that specializes in model-based solutions for computer performance engineering. We have developed this tool for Agile devs so that they themselves can do the performance testing on the software they create. No long feedback loop, no nasty rework surprises. With this tool, you know all about how your code performs in less than 10 minutes. This enables you to deliver your software with guaranteed performance. As a developer, you can use the tool to test one transaction immediately after you created it, so you can easily experiment and optimize, or you can do the transactions over a sprint, or you can performance test the whole application when it is ready. The details of the application under test and its infrastructure are treated in video number 0. For the demo, let's pretend that you are the software developer building the application under test called Neuros, and you are finishing a sprint that consists of these transactions. So in this performance test, we test these 4 transaction types of this sprint. You do the actual performance test in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Start the test tool. After the performance test is finished, we come back here to conclude it. Step 2. Execute the transactions of the application under test 6 times by hand. In this demo, I do 6 times, of which I show only 1. Here we have the Neuros application, and the first transaction we are going to test is the login. Here we go. The second transaction type is navigate to a form where we can fill in hours made. There we go. Here we can fill in the hours. So let's pretend we did something useful and fill in some hours. Then we submit the form, which is the third transaction type that we test. And the fourth transaction type is log out. There we go. I repeat this 5 times more to complete performance testing of this sprint. Step 3. Stop the tool and conclude the performance test. There we go. Five minutes is all it takes to do this performance test on a sprint with 4 transactions, but we have to keep in mind that judging the results, which is the next step, takes a couple of minutes more. After doing the performance test, you judge the results in the mBrace model. Watch video number 2 for this. Finally, if a transaction's response time takes too long, you need to optimize it first. To that end, you can drill down and find performance improvement opportunities that you might want to realize when optimizing the application. Watch video number 3 for this. You have watched a performance test done with the Agile Performance Test Tool version 1. Performance testing is done by software developers self on the software they produce. In a simple process that does not disturb the development, which takes 3 steps immediately after completion of the software, and which provide you the shortest possible feedback cycle on the performance of your code in less than 10 minutes. No specialists, no hours spent for scripting, no preparations, just begin and execute the transactions by hand, enabling you to deliver software with guaranteed performance, so that the definition of done of your Scrum team now can include performance. This was video number 1. Do the performance test. Thanks for flying with us, and goodbye.